Hi, I'm Maloney. Today we'll be talking about unlocking success, overcoming CLM implementation challenges. Let's face it, implementing a new contract lifecycle management system can be a challenging endeavor. Many organizations have experienced delays, budget overruns, and even project failures during the process. However, this session aims to empower you with the knowledge and strategies to overcome these common obstacles and achieve a successful CLM implementation. By the end, you will be equipped to navigate the process effectively and unlock the full potential of your chosen CLM system. Let's start with understanding the common challenges. Implementing a new CLM system can present several hurdles, including high costs. The initial investment can encompass software licensing, hardware upgrades, and training expenses. Secondly, lengthy timelines. The implementation process can be complex and time-consuming, requiring meticulous planning and execution. Thirdly, lack of support. Insufficient buy-in from key stakeholders or inadequate vendor support can hinder the project success. Now let's talk about the cost-benefit analysis. Before embarking on this journey, a thorough cost-benefit analysis is essential. This involves identifying all potential costs. This includes not just the software license, but also implementation costs, ongoing maintenance fees, and potential customization costs. Be prepared for these additional expenses. Secondly, quantifying the expected benefits. Consider improved efficiency, reduced risk, and enhanced collaboration as potential gains. Thirdly, evaluating the return on investment. By comparing the costs and benefits, you can determine if the CLM implementation aligns with your organization's financial goals or not. Coming on to the stakeholder engagement. Successful CLM implementation hinges on stakeholder engagement. Here are the key strategies. Firstly, identify your key stakeholders. This includes individuals from various departments impacted by the system, such as legal, procurement, and sales. Secondly, involve senior decision makers from the very beginning. This will help you to avoid lengthy approval processes and ensure alignment with organizational goals. Thirdly, communicate clearly and consistently. Ensure stakeholders understand the project's objectives, timeline, and potential impact on their roles. Fourth, address concerns and gather back. Actively listen to stakeholder concerns and incorporate their feedback into the implementation process. Moving forward to change management. Implementing a new system often necessitates change management strategies to ensure smooth adoption. Here are some key points. Develop a comprehensive change management plan. This plan should outline how you will address resistance, provide training, and support user adoption. Communicate the benefits of change. Clearly explain how the CLM system will improve individual and departmental workflows. Offer ongoing support and training. Equip users with the necessary skills and resources to confidently navigate the new system. Now let's move on to the fifth strategy, that is the mitigation strategies. Finally, let's explore some practical strategies to mitigate common implementation challenges. First, and the most important, set realistic goals and timelines. Break down the project into manageable phases with achievable milestones. Second, establish clear communication channels. Maintain open communication among stakeholders throughout the process. Third, leverage the vendor's expertise. Utilize the vendor's experience and resources for guidance and support. Summing it all up, by understanding and addressing these challenges, you can pave the way for a successful CLM implementation. Remember, a well-planned and collaborative approach coupled with effective change management will unlock the true potential of your CLM system and ensure your organization reaps the numerous benefits it has to offer. Thank you so much, and stay tuned with us for more tips and hacks on successful CLM implementation.